Hey, this is Theresa. So I'm going home to my hometown today, which was hit by Hurricane Michael, and we're going to see the damage to the place where I grew up. So I'm taking my mom down there. She's been with me for a week since it happened, and this is the first time she's seen it. Hey, so I'm here with my mom, and this is the first time she has seen her house in a week and a day. And so we're going to go check out what Hurricane Michael has done to it. All right, ready?
Ready.
All right, so we're about to turn in their driveway. Oh, there's a big tree over it. We can see already, like over their drive. So there used to be a lane that way that you could go straight on, have to turn. Yeah, you can kind of see the house through the woods. We're gonna keep going. It's kind of sticking out. My dad had to cut the roads. Oh, this is a...
He had to cut a new way.
Yeah, he had to cut a new way to get through to the house because of these trees down.
God, I'm not.
Oh, that was just
this mess.
This is crazy. It doesn't even look like the same place.
There's that tree that got...
Yeah, a big stump. This is insane. So this is my childhood home. Almost all of the trees I remember are gone, and all of the main trees, like the big oaks. It's going to be a lot of work.